Welcome to 2303 Erica Kaitlin. I'm so glad you came to see me today. You can call me Katie if you want to. Let's get to know each other. Now then, thanks for stepping into my main entranceway. As you turn to your right, take a few steps, and I know straight ahead you're going to notice this great office space. What could you use it for? How would your furniture fit in here? Think about it. Feel free to ask Carrie and David any questions along the way, and you're welcome to pause this recording as you go through. After you've checked out the office area, step back out, and there's a door closed right there between the front door and my office. Step on in. Check out this storage closet. I mean, what could you do with this? How much of your stuff would fit in here? I can store all of your off-season things. Let's go on in, and you can check out my formal dining area. This was made to entertain, from the chandelier to the carpet, to the beautiful dramatic windows, to the china cabinet that's built in. I could display your things beautifully. Take a moment and pause. How would your things work in here? Let Carrie and David know again if you have any questions. Let's explore the downstairs first, and then I'll take you upstairs. Come on around to my kitchen. It's updated, it's modern. It has a gas grill up front, so you don't have to turn your back to your guests or the game or the movie. I have double ovens, so I can take care of your holiday needs, whatever those may be. Lots of cabinet space too. Feel free to open any of my doors and drawers and check them out. I've got a nice pantry. Did you see it? I have a beautiful stainless steel sink and dishwasher. Everything's updated and ready to go. Ooh, and while we're working our way around the sink, did you notice this extra storage space over here in the breakfast area? Come check it out. I can handle all of your needs, and maybe some extras too. I have lots of windows, so I'm going to let in a lot of light and bring joy to your life. At least I hope so. Go ahead and check out my living area too. I'm ready for you to relax and enjoy family and friends in here. I'm set up for you. As we go on around, I'm sure you're noticing out the back windows of that deck. Great for evenings. And did you know that I back up to a green belt? So you're going to have lots of privacy back here for whether it's a quiet evening or entertaining with a barbecue. No back neighbors. How about that? Come on back to my main primary bedroom. It's nice and spacious with a bay window. That's a hot tub right outside those windows. And if you keep walking on through, come check out my primary closet. I know you see 3 doors. Feel free to open any of them. You can't go wrong with door number 1, number 2, or number 3. Okay, if you chose the first door on your left, step on in to some serious closet space. Tell me how your things would work in this primary closet. I'm telling you, I can store your off-season and in-season clothes in style with convenience. I've got it taken care of. Take a moment to ponder, and when you're ready, come on in and let's open the other 2 doors. Yes, that middle door is a linen closet. I can store beach towels, everyday towels, hand towels, toiletries. I've got it all covered. And of course, that last door is the potty room. You're right. But then go ahead and check out my double vanity. Lots of drawer space. Yes, that is a beautiful garden tub over there in the corner, and a glass shower. I can meet all of your needs. And I'm looking for a new family. What do you think so far? When you're ready, we can step back out through the primary bedroom, back out into the main living area. we're going to cross in front of the fireplace and check out some more of my features that you might be interested in. After you pass my fireplace, which is gas, so that's going to be truly convenient for you, even on those few short days that we have in Texas, I can still keep you warm and cozy. Come on down my hallway and let me show you some other features that I have. Let's start with this first door on your left. That's my laundry room. I have built-in cabinets and I'm set up to go for all of your laundry needs. I have lots of storage space and even a bench. So you've got a mudroom right here. Hopefully it'll rain soon and we can enjoy some rainy days together. That door goes out to the garage. You're welcome to check it out. Or come on back out into this little cozy nook. How great would this be? Could you use this as a second office? Or maybe just a quiet place for some family members? The possibilities are limitless. Go ahead and look at the second door on your left when you're ready. It's a bedroom. And go ahead and take a look at the closet. Not too shabby, right? When you're finished, go ahead and cross this little nook area in front of the blue chairs and come on in to the third bedroom. Again, not too shabby, right? Go ahead and check out that closet while you're in here. When you're ready, come back to the door that'll be on your left when you leave that room, right across from the blue sofas, or chairs, as you might call them, and come on in, and yes, that's a second bathroom downstairs. So your guests won't have to use your primary bathroom. It's right here for your convenience. What do you think so far? Do you have any questions for Carrie and David? Let's keep looking. By the way, I am wired for security and I have an updated thermostat. When you're ready, we'll go upstairs. No rush. Feel free to ask questions along the way. As you're climbing the stairs, I think I should tell you that I have a lot of fond memories of family and friends and loved ones here, and I'm hoping to make some new ones. Please be thinking about how we could make some memories together. As you get to the top of the stairs, check me out. I have a huge loft area. How great of a living space would this be? Yes, that is a movie screen. Imagine your family and friends piling up here in your coziest chairs, kicking back, watching the game, watching movies, eating popcorn, having a wonderful time together. What would be the first thing you'd like to watch? I hope we can watch it together. Go ahead and check out the other two doors up here. Yes, that is a half bath right there at the door on the right. So again, your family and friends won't be inconvenienced. And then the door on the left is a walk-in attic space. As if I didn't have enough storage already. I'm ready to accommodate a family's needs. What do you think so far? Feel free to ask Carrie and David any questions along the way. Let's go downstairs when you're ready and we'll check out the backyard. Once you're outside on the patio, I know you're going to notice my great deck. I've got some empty planters ready for your green thumb or a family member's green thumb, whatever the case may be. I've got lots of room for you to relax and kick back, enjoy the barbecue, or just a quiet beverage in the backyard. Now, I've got some backyard space. So if you have a four-legged family member, I can accommodate that. Or if you've got a green thumb, I'm ready for a garden. Whatever it takes. And yes, that is a storage shed over in the corner that is ready for more storage and to accommodate you. What do you think? Admiring the lights, admiring the ceiling fan? It's a lot to think about, but Carrie and David love questions, so please go ask them some questions and see how you and I can get to know each other even better. I hope we can. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to talk to you soon.